Hinds County Supervisor David Archie is now asking the state's highest court to expedite the appeals process in his election challenge. Now, we told you yesterday that Governor Tate Reeves canceled the special election for Hinds County District 2 Supervisor until further notice. That election will still happen, but an official date has not been set. The election was ordered after a judge ruled in favor of Archie's election challenge. Right now, the case is on appeal by current District 2 Supervisor Tony Smith. In a filing yesterday, an attorney for Archie asked the state Supreme Court to expedite the appeals process, saying time is of the essence. Statewide elections are next year, and party primaries are slated for August 3rd.